Welcome back to Fox 17 News this morning. It is 8:44 right now, and folks, the sun is out. That's great news.
That is good. That's
now,
really good.
We're still in the process of determining how much melt we're going to get from that because it's so cold, but we could see a little bit, and that comes with a warning, Brett, for watching out for even more like falling ice and falling limbs.
Yeah, we were talking earlier. Now I saw that Broadway camera. Unless somebody was up there and just kicked it or something, it fell. I saw something fall.
Watch out.
Yeah, it could be melting a little bit. We may be able to get a little bit of melting today. The sun angle this time of year, though, is just much lower than other parts of the year, so it's going to kind of hinder the melting a little bit. Temperatures will be well below freezing, so don't expect on any melting because our temperatures are above freezing. That is not going to be the case. We're looking at only going to the upper teens today. Tomorrow, we will get good sunshine along with temperatures, at least here in Nashville, a little bit above freezing, so that should be very helpful tomorrow. Tomorrow, we may get some decent melting. Through Tuesday morning, we are going to be in this code red alert. Dangerously cold air is going to take over. It's already here. Cold weather advisories and extreme cold warnings are in effect. If you don't have to get out on the roads, I would just recommend not even trying to. Some of the back roads are still very icy. Those will be an issue for you. If you have to get out on the roads, though, just play it safe. Be very careful out there. Take it a little bit more slowly. Cold weather advisories in place for nearly all of Middle Tennessee. All of Southern Kentucky, almost at least, in those cold weather advisories as well. Those remain in place until 6 p.m. Wind chill values going below zero in those areas. 6 p.m. to noon, 6 p.m. tonight to noon Tuesday, these extreme cold warnings are going to take over. It's going to get colder. Wind chill values could be dropping down to 10 degrees below zero. So a very cold night for us tonight. Very cold start to the morning for us, too. We're at 9 degrees in Clarksville, still in the single digits up there. 9 in Hopkinsville, Paris, 13 right now, in Nashville, 13 in Murfreesboro. So it's really cold anywhere you look. And then you factor in the wind. Most areas at or below zero. This is a very cold wind chill. Zero is what it feels like in Nashville. It feels like -4 up in Clarksville this morning. Very cold up that way. Radar not showing a whole lot of activity going on. Everything has been pretty quiet for us this morning. This little burst of light snow showers was the only thing that we can really see that's been popping up on the radar this morning. That shouldn't cause you any issues. Everything that moved through yesterday is what caused the major issues. We just got a crazy amount of freezing rain all across the mid-state, but especially right here in Davidson County. That's what led to all those power outages and the trees down. Tuesday morning, we started out dry. That was a 7 a.m. picture right there. By late Tuesday, we have a dry cold front that's going to move through. That could increase the cloud cover a little bit for the later part of the day. But for the first part of the day, I think we're going to get a lot of sunshine. Overall, it should be one of our nicest days because that cold front will bring in some colder air for the later part of the week. Down to 3 degrees tonight for overnight low temperature. And then behind that next cold front, we're going to drop down to 3 degrees again on Friday night.